everyone, it's Ajay Tripathi here from Clinstinct Clinical Research. In this video, we will discuss about what is clinical research and its future. So, uh, going to the titles, we will finish this with 3 points. First, what is clinical research? Second, after doing the clinical research, where you can get the jobs. Third, as an academic institute, what the services we are providing. So, first is first, what is clinical research? Clinical research is to evaluate the safety and efficacy of a new drug. Means the drug is not in the market. We will check whether the drug is working or not. How will you understand these things? Let take an example. Let in a pharma company is there. They invented a drug on diabetes. The drug is not in the market. It's newly formulated drug. So, though the pharma company formulated the drug from themselves, as per the government rule, they can do the clinical trial. A third party is doing the clinical trial for them. What you can call them as a CRO, this Contract Research Organization. And our government body is DCGI, Drug Control General of India. Means whatever the clinical trial process we will do in India, for that we have to take the approvals from DCGI first. So in this part, three bodies are important. First is the pharma company who are inventing the drugs. Second is the CRO, Contract Research Organization, who will conduct the clinical trial in all over the India, or you can tell all over the world also. Third, in India, who was the government body is DCGI, Drug Control General of India, who will give the approvals for the trials. And after the, if the trials is going on well way, then they will give the approvals to the pharma company. Then the drug will come to the market. Now, question is how we conduct the clinical trial. First, after the pharma company and CRO doing the agreements, we will start from the preclinical first. Means uh, we will give the drugs to the animals first, whom like rabbits, rats. Mainly we'll taking the drugs on the rat first because the rat they are cheap for us and is handle the rat is little bit easy. And third is their digestive system and our digestive system is the same. For that reason, mainly this clinical trials we are giving the drugs to the rats. So once the drug will give to the rats, we will check whether the drug is safe and effective or not. Means, as I told you, the example is in the diabetics. The once we give the doses to the rats, we have to check whether the side effects there. Second, after giving the dose, the diabetics part is slowing or not. We will check whether the what is our the results is coming. Once the result is good, we will submit all the documents in DCGI. DCGI will give approval to us, and after that we will start the human trials. In human trials, there are four phases is there. The phase one, phase two, phase three, phase four. If I will describe all the phases, it will be the video will be large. So we will discuss about phase three because in all over the India the trials mainly were conducting at the phase three only. So what we'll do on phase three? In phase three trials, as per the government rule, if take an example, you are taking off 200 subjects on diabetes. So what we'll do, as per the rules, we have to take 50% from all the zones, means from the east zone, from the west zone, from the south zone, and from the north zone. Why we'll do that? Because all those parts, the environment is different, their eating habits, custom, cultures, everything is different. And once we deliver the drug to the patients, we will check whether all this environment, the drug is working or not. Once we deliver the drug, again, we'll check the same thing as the safety and effectiveness of the drug. Once we get the good result from this trial, we will submit the documents in DCGI. DCGI will give the approvals. Then the drug will come to the market. So I'm just trying to make you understand about this clinical research in a very short way. Now, as a second part, who all the organizations are there will give the jobs in clinical research field. First is the pharma company. The pharma company have their own pharmacovigilance department. So you can get the jobs in pharmacovigilance in pharma companies. Next is the CRO, as I told before, this contract research organization. They have all the departments like clinical research, pharmacovigilance, regulatory affairs, clinical data management, and medical writing. The CRO companies, lot of Indian CROs there, lot of outside CROs there, like Maybe you know about Equivia, Parexels, Icon, lot of big companies are there. In Indian CROs are also there. So first is the pharma company, they will give job. Second is the CR. Third is the consultant companies, means Accenture, Cognizant, Wipro. They will also give provide us the jobs. So you may ask that these are the IT companies, how they are related to the clinical research. Things is what this all this consultant companies, they are taking agreements with the pharma company or the CRO company, and they are taking care of their departments. Like take an example, let Wipro and the Pfizer. Wipro have an agreement with the Pfizer, and Wipro is taking care of their pharma business department. For that reason, they are also giving jobs to us. Okay. Now, last is the DCGI, Drug Control General of India, as I told you before. DCGI also conducting the clinical trials in all over India. They have also vacancies in this field. So up to now, we discuss what is clinical research. Then we discuss who the all companies are giving jobs to us. That the pharma companies, the CRO, the consultant companies like Accenture, Cognizant, Wipro. Last is your DCGI. Now coming to the part of our academics, what the services we are providing. So, as a Clinstinct clinical research, we providing 5 courses as clinical research, pharmacovigilance, regulatory affairs, clinical data management, and medical writing. Our course time is 6 months. We are giving both online and offline courses. Who the all are eligible for this course? Like B Pharma, M Pharma, MSc Microbiology, MSc Biotech, MSc Botany, MSc Zoology, MSc, not BSc. So MSc, all the license can do this course. In this course, what we are providing that after giving 2 to 3 months of clinical research ideas, we will sending our students to the intensive. There they are getting this, the practical knowledge they will get. Once some companies they are giving this stipend also for this intensive. Some companies are not giving the stipends, but after 3 to 4 months they will give you the experience certificate. What our plan is, once someone is get the experience on clinical research, they can go on any place like pharmacovigilance, regulatory affairs, data management, and medical writing. This experience can help it out to go to the different departments also. So, so in this way, we are uh, giving these courses with the intensives, and when we do the intensives, after finishing the intensive, they will give you a permanent post, and they will give a salary of 15,000. What's our idea is, once you get the experience of 1 year now, it's a little bit easy to you to connect with the IT companies. Like as I told, Accenture, Cognizant, Wipro, all the CRO companies like Kuvia, Parexes, lot of companies, Icon. Now we are a 10 years organizations. We already finished around 23 to 24 batches. Around 500, more than 500 students are already went from here, and they are in the good places also. So right now we are going to start our new batch on this 20 December. As we are taking only 10 to 15 students or maximum 15 to 20 students in a one batch. We are not taking that more students in a batch. So this is all about clinical research and where you get the jobs. Third, what the services we are providing. So this is all about the video. If you have any comments, if you have any doubts about these things, you can connect with us. You can call to us, or you can send in comments. We will give you the reply for that. Okay. Thank you.